how to install the Stripe dashboard on your Android device. The Stripe dashboard app lets us track payments, refunds, and payouts in real time. So if we do not install it, we might miss important transactions or delays. So let's just quickly install it and set it up on an Android device. So we open up the Google Play Store on our Android phone for that, and in the search bar, you can just go over and type in Stripe dashboard. Type in Stripe and type in dashboard and hit enter, and when you do, you'll be finding the results available. You can select the Stripe dashboard from the results given and basically tap on this option called install. And once you do so, you can wait for the installation or the download to be completed. You can just go over and do so. You must have a quick internet connection if you want to download it quickly, and you can just go over and wait for it to be installed. Now once it is installed, you'll be finding an open option. You can tap on it, or you can find the Stripe dashboard in the application drawer and open up the application on your device. Now once we open it up, we can sign in into our Stripe account. So tap on the sign in option, and once we sign it, click on sign in option. We can log in using email and password or our Google account if linked, and also complete the two-factor authentication if prompted. This should probably be your sign in page where you need to enter up your credentials in order to sign in. And once you are signed in, you can access the Stripe dashboard on your device, and that's it. And for this application to work properly, make sure that your Android version is supported and also updated on your Google Play services, and check if the app is available in your region. But that's it. We have successfully installed the Stripe dashboard app on our Android phone. So we hope this video was helpful. Make sure to give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.